Hello students, we are going to learn about the topic gender today. At the end of this video, you will learn about the four kinds of gender. So, watch this video very carefully till the end. Gender is a system of differentiating nouns and pronouns as masculine, feminine, common and neuter. A noun, that is the name of any male person or animal, is said to be of the masculine gender, such as man, uncle, lion, bull. A noun, that is the name of any female person or animal, is said to be of the feminine gender, such as woman, aunt, lioness, cow. A noun which stands for the name of a thing without life is said to be of the neuter gender, such as desk, chair, ball, and knife. They do not have life. Nouns which are names common to either males or females are said to be of the common gender, such as teacher, student, doctor, friend, child. Here the word teacher can be a male person or a female person also. In the same way, student can be a boy also or a girl also. There are three ways of forming the feminine nouns. First, by using an entirely different word such as uncle, aunt, king, queen, brother, sister. Here the word aunt is completely different from uncle. The word queen is completely different from the word king, and the word sister is completely different from the word brother. The second way of framing feminine nouns is by adding ess to the masculine noun or by changing the word a little before adding the ess. For example, poet, poetess, lion, lioness. In the first two words, we have used only ess. We have not changed the noun. For example, the spelling of poet is poet. We have used only ess in poet, but in the next four words we have changed the word a little bit. For example, the spelling of actor is actor, but when we have written actress, the spelling has become actress. In the same way, the spelling of emperor is emperor, but the spelling of empress is empress. The third way of forming feminine nouns is by placing a gender showing word male or female before or after, such as manservant, maidservant, he goat, she goat, landlord, landlady, headmaster, headmistress. In the first two examples, we have changed the first word. Man has become maid and he has become she. But in the last two examples, we have changed the second word. For example, Lord has become lady and master has become mistress. Pronouns can be masculine, feminine, common, or neuter. The pronouns he and him are of masculine gender. The pronouns she and her are of feminine gender. The pronoun it is of neuter gender. The pronoun I, me, you, we, and us can be either masculine or feminine. The pronouns they and them can be masculine, feminine, or neuter gender. Let us take a quick revision. There are four kinds of gender. Nouns referring to males are said to be of the masculine gender. Nouns referring to females are said to be of the feminine gender. Nouns that can refer to non-living things are said to be of the neuter gender, and nouns that can refer to both males and females are said to be of the common gender. Thank you, children. Have a great learning day.